Yes, 2017. I've been lazy. I mean busy. Enjoy.
Ability to come forward now for boy.
So we had a layover in Auckland, New Zealand, and we went and got Macca's, and oh my goodness, their menu is like 10 times better than Australia. I got a pie. I don't know why, but it just slaps better. I ran over. Girl, we arrived.
It's so hot.
Can I cut it? No, okay. We made it after so long in customs. We went straight to Macca's. It low-key kind of slaps. So basically we got to the Airbnb we were staying at, but I didn't film it because, to be honest, I was really scared because it was nighttime and everything was dark and I thought people were following us, but they weren't. And it was just not good lighting to film. So this is the next morning waking up. We went to this place called the Pacific Jewel. It's a store and then at the back there's a cafe. Such good food.
This is such a cute spot to have breakfast.
Sorry for the badly shot video, but this was our breakfast. That's my cousin I just met. She's 1 year younger than me. Her name's Carrie. We took some pickies, shoved food in our faces. We went to our cousin's house and we met her cute little dogs.
Hi, Papa. Big Papa. Is it a skin? Look at the colour of his eyes. I think he's half blind. Look.
Oh, I think he is. I think the sound scares him. Mother's primary school. Entering the seminary my mom and her family lived in. This is behind the scenes of filming. Don't be scared of looking like a tourist when you travel because you'll never see them again and you're a tourist. That's what you do. No, Mom. goodness, I didn't know they were in Samoa. Anyways, we met these kids and surprise, surprise, they're our cousins. Just look how cute she is. Oh, I can't. My brother took pictures to make it look like he's good with kids when he's not. He said that.
I still can't get over the dog biting.
Yeah, it's fresh, it's nice. She
This is Moana, she's our cousin.
climbed the coconut tree.
Okay, but this footage does not give this place justice. He's speaking to her in Samoan even though she doesn't speak Samoan.
I told them to come down. So it's okay. Can you speak English? I don't know.
10 rolls toilet paper, $24.
Oh.
And 24 bottles of water, $48. Why no more? Yeah?
This is me running up the stairs thinking it'll be cool for the video and then remembering that I'm unfit and then walking. It costs $5 to enter the sliding rock, which is like $2.50 Australian per person. However, I must say that this place is really dangerous, so I suggest you go at your own risk, just because the rocks are really slippery and these stairs are actually very steep. It is a dangerous place, but it's really fun, so as long as you're cautious and you watch where you step, you should be fine. Also, the weather really affects how your experience of the sliding rock is, because if there's a big rainfall, you'll get a lot of water to slide on. If there's no rainfall, then it'll be dry and you can't slide down. Overall, we had such a good day. This has been day 1 in Samoa.
What did I
I can't believe I said this in front of my family.